guys, behind me is my 2013 Ford Mustang 500. I just installed the Corsa Sport axle backs with the quad tips and the GT500 rear valance. So we're gonna check out what it sounds like. Other than that, I have a resonator delete on both pipes, obviously, and the Pypes high flow cats. Other than that, it's completely stock exhaust-wise, stock headers, everything else is stock. So I'm gonna show you guys what that sounds like with a few revs and flybys. Enjoy. So those were the Corsa Sports. I had Roushes before I got my Corsa Sports, just the axle back, and I love the Corsas, hands down. They're so much better. They give a much more aggressive tone and a very, very refined sound at wide open throttle and things like that, and the revs just sound amazing. I also get a lot more pops through them. They were a lot quieter when I first installed them, but ever since like breaking them in and kind of driving with them, they are a lot louder than when I first got them on the car. And pair that with the resonator deletes and the high flow cats, this car sounds phenomenal. I absolutely love it. So if you're thinking of going Corsas, definitely do it. Don't hold back. The money is well worth it. Thanks for watching. I hope to catch you in the next one.